Today we are here in
Legend Siam.
Siam. We rented a golf cart and which is cost 250 baht. And the entrance here is 300 each. And we get a map. There's a professional driver. Boy.
I'll tour you in my house. Come on.
Very nice house.
This is the second bedroom.
Oh wow,
The
nice.
guest bedroom. And your right side is the kitchen.
Guys, I think this is her vlog.
Welcome to my not so vlog. That is the chef house. No, maintenance house.
Okay.
Next one is the housekeeping. Ay,
Housekeeping.
sino kayo dyan? The next one is the chef house that's full of chef. Siyempre mayaman tayo.
A bar over here.
And this is our favorite spot, the bar. Come on.
Come on.
Ay, videohin mo ako, videohin kita.
Bidyoin kita.
Hello,
Hi everyone, welcome to Legend Siam. Legend of Siam ba?
Legend Siam.
Legend Siam.
Pattaya.
In Pattaya, Thailand.
If you plan to come here, don't forget your ta-da! Fan. Your best friend.
Yes,
That's
correct. And be careful of that whole te.
This is our electrical room.
Mm-hmm.
You know, electrical room. The maintenance. Oh, maintenance.
Maintenance.
Yes.
Wow. You get a...
Look, our generator. Over here.
Wow.
Hidden.
Hidden electrical room.
This is the back door.
Back door. We're gonna
rock and roll.
We're gonna rock and roll and rolling loud.
We are going to Pattaya.
Yeah.
And this is the Lagusan. Ay, ano kasi yun? Ano ba mag-open ng Lagusan? We're going to our aunt's house. We're gonna eat lunch. Baka nagluto sila. Pero walang tao kasi gumala yung mga auntie ko. Diba? Ay,
Yeah.
CR pala nila to, sorry. Ay, ito yung market. Ito yung tindahan ni Aling Nina. Yung kapitbahay namin. Oo, ito to. Yung kapitbahay namin, you wanna go there?
So they have market open, and this is how it looks like. Look at this dog. Here is the whole map. And we're here. So I think we're done. And next destination is we're going to try in Pattaya Sheep Farm. Hello everyone, we're now here in Pattaya Sheep Farm, and as you can see, look, he's following her. And you know what she said? Meow. Look at this. We're gonna have some ice cream. Hello. Hi there. Look at these people out here. People. The sheep. Ah, ganda. Look at these. Hello.
Tingnan mo sila, may hotel, may salon.
They got a hotel, salon, and jail. Welcome to our sheep farm. So they got this sign over here, and I think we're gonna have a sheep feeding since we bought some carrots. Uy, ang cute nito. Horsey! Ito na. Oh, yeah.
Relax, mabibigyan lahat ng ayuda.
Hindi ko na alam kung sino yung mga nabigyan ko. Ah, laki mo.
Nabigyan na siya. Yung sa baba. Yung maliliit naman. O yan, lagi nakadami na yan. No biting, no pushing. Cow. Ano ka ba ni Kapitan? Oh, ayun. Cow.
Tingnan.
Ito naman. Sensya na. Ay, wala na. Bumalik na lang kayo sa...
Meron pa doon tayo sa isang ano.
One more.